2010 Ford F-150 aftermarket exhaust. Everything you need to know. If you own a 2010 Ford F-150, you know it's one of the most reliable and versatile trucks on the road. But when it comes to performance and sound, the factory exhaust system might feel a little too quiet and restrictive. That's where an aftermarket exhaust comes in. Upgrading your exhaust system is one of the most popular modifications for the F-150, and for good reason. It doesn't just change the way your truck sounds. It can also improve performance, fuel efficiency, and even give your truck a more aggressive look. Why upgrade the exhaust? The stock exhaust system on the 2010 F-150 was built for everyday driving comfort. But if you want more horsepower, deeper sound, or better towing performance, aftermarket exhaust systems are designed to maximize airflow and reduce back pressure. Benefits include improved horsepower and torque thanks to better exhaust flow, fuel economy gains, especially on highway driving, aggressive exhaust note, from a deep rumble to a loud roar, depending on the system you choose, better appearance, since most aftermarket exhausts come with polished stainless or black-coated tips. Popular types of exhaust systems for the 2010 F-150. Catback exhaust systems. The most common upgrade. Replaces everything from the catalytic converter back. Offers a noticeable performance boost and aggressive sound. Axle back exhaust systems. More affordable. Replaces only the rear portion of the exhaust. Great if you want better sound without a big budget. Headers and mid-pipes. For serious performance enthusiasts, upgrading to aftermarket headers can unleash even more horsepower, but requires more installation work. Sound options. Mild, perfect for daily drivers who want a subtle but deeper tone. Moderate, louder and throatier, noticeable both inside and outside the cab. Aggressive, maximum performance and sound. Ideal for enthusiasts who want their truck to roar. Best brands for the 2010 F-150 aftermarket exhaust. Some of the most trusted brands among F-150 owners include Borla, known for premium stainless steel construction and sporty sound. Flowmaster, classic deep rumble, very popular among truck enthusiasts. MagnaFlow, smooth, refined tone with durable build quality. MBRP, aggressive sound and budget-friendly options. Installation and cost. Most catback exhaust systems are bolt-on, meaning you don't need welding or major modifications. A skilled DIYer can install one in a few hours with basic tools. Prices range from $400 to $1,200, depending on brand and material. Final thoughts. Upgrading the exhaust on your 2010 Ford F-150 is one of the best ways to personalize your truck. Whether you want a subtle upgrade or a head-turning roar, there's an aftermarket system that fits your style, budget, and performance goals. So, if you're ready to make your F-150 sound as powerful as it looks, an aftermarket exhaust is the way to go.